What if one machine could replace multiple tools, reduce setup time, and expand what your shop can create? Introducing the Roby1 Pro from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, a next-generation woodworking system designed to do more in less space. The Roby1 is a true multi-workstation CNC platform, combining versatility, precision, and durability into a single, space-efficient system. No more juggling multiple machines. No more outsourcing complex work. The horizontal workstation handles everyday production, from precision routing to detailed carving. The integrated turning center allows you to produce spindles, columns, and tapered components, significantly more versatile and precise than a dedicated lathe. And the vertical workstation makes advanced joinery faster, more accurate, and repeatable. That means less setup time, higher throughput, and more high-margin work completed in-house, all without increasing your floor space or your workforce. Built on a welded steel frame with precision motion systems, the Roby1 delivers long-term accuracy, reliability, and performance. From intricate carvings, to precise joinery, to complex turnings, to full production work. This is the evolution of what a compact CNC can do. The Roby1 Pro by Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Work smarter, build more, grow faster.